In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on Twitch. If you want your display name to be different from your username, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and modify your display name the way you want. So your display name is the name that publicly appears to your users, and you can go ahead and change this on your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, go to your Twitch account and then head over to your profile icon up here. From this, choose settings, and then from settings you should see down under profile settings we have username and display name. For your username, you can only change your username after 2 months of being in use, because mine, I've just created it recently, but I can change the display name. To change the display name, go ahead and just click on it. Then you are told you can customize capitalization for your name. So I'll go ahead and enter my new display name that I wish, and here it is. And now to save it, go ahead and tap on save changes. So as you can see, I'm told you may not change your display name, only the capitalization of it. So this means if I go ahead and remove the blank spaces but capitalize the letters and save changes, now my display name will be changed, and as you can see, I've successfully changed my display name. So that's how you can change your display name on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.